Hey y'all, so today we're shopping for new master bedroom doors, new closet doors for the master bedroom, and a new bathroom door for the master bedroom. And no, I don't want just a regular door, so let's see what we can find. I need something with character, something that's going to jazz up my space a little bit. I did have to use a little elbow grease, y'all, to make it work, but I love it and I can't wait for y'all to see it. Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Shantae, and this is Tut Tips. So me and my hubby, say hey babe. We need new doors and framing for the doors in the master bedroom. So I was excited because that wasn't something we was gonna be doing this year. So anytime I get to make an improvement to the house, I'm excited. So anyway, we're in the restore. This is what it looks like. And if you don't know about it, look it up. You should have one in your area. Let's see what we can find. Oh, look at this, y'all. Trying to let y'all see what kind of stuff is what's going on in here. Oh, what is this? Y'all, this is good quality right here. It's heavy. Ooh, God, I wish I had somewhere to put this. I'm on the budget. It's only $50. What's going on? This must be the stuff people got on hold. Is this stuff people got on hold? Like it's set up like an auction style, or people got it on hold or something? This? Oh, silent auction, y'all. Ooh, let's see.
What number is it?
I'll be back. Oh, babe, this look like our chest in our room. It is. This is what we have in our bedroom. See this chest? Same name brand and everything.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Same look. The little shells. Ooh, I'm going to repaint ours and do it white. So what we're going to do, go to another one, or just go to Lowe's? So this was a bust. We're going to head over to another one, which is bigger, and they have more stuff. All right, y'all. We on a mission. This is our second stop. So we're at Lowe's. Let's see what we can find.
Regular lumber, like this is like.
You on camera.
so this ain't like regular lumber. Like if you know, like all the damn things. You know, like
the
plywood.
headboard.
No, like
composite.
No. Just cut it out, Shanta. This ain't for like construction type.
Okay.
Wood. This is like wood for like actual projects and stuff. So
right now we're considering getting these bifold doors for the closets in our room.
This is the size.
I can jazz it up. I can work my magic on it, babe. $95. All right, y'all, so we found our door. So right now I'm working on a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieve this look for these doors. When the video is done, I'll put a link above in this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that renovation and others that I'm working on. So we still need to find a door for the bathroom. So now on to the next spot. So this next spot is called Building Carolina Materials. It's in Charleston, South Carolina. It's a supply store for homeowners and do-it-yourselfers and contractors. And this is the spot where we found our bathroom door. It's a spot that my hubby found for me. I told him what I was looking for, what type of spot I was looking for, and he found it for me, y'all. So they have a whole bunch of home remodeling materials and supplies. This old school safe, and it is heavy as hell. Look at that. Would you look at that? Yo, it's taking a lot for me to close this damn door. Look at the detail on the bottom. That's cool. Look at the hardware they have going on in here. Here's the new bathroom door. I've already started staining it. I'm playing around with the colors and the technique and design that I'm going to do. When I'm finished, I will post a step-by-step video for you of the process. Plus, I'll add the eye icon link above when it's done. If you are subscribed, you'll get the notification when it's done. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss it. So as you can see, we got a glass door. The protective sheet is still over it, and yes, it is frosted glass. We did decide on black hardware for all 3 doors. If you didn't know, I'm recording the renovations for my forever home, which is an old fixer-upper. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the process of us making this old home look nice. I can't wait to show y'all once the wall is done and the trim is added and everything's done.